some layering tips for you. So let me bring you there already. Okay, we've arrived, and let's start by layering my favorite items personally, and I'm gonna show you some super cute hacks that you can use for layering. So let's start by how to style the Spanish set. So I, for example, really like this or even this. It depends what style you're reaching for. You can use, why not this? Let's go. I'm going to show you how to style the Spanish kids. So I'm going to show you every little tips, and you know what? Let's start by making a Mother Nature set. So I feel like this top could be appropriate. It's really good. Why not this? We're going to need this cute butterfly that's giving nature vibe. Let's find a cute bottom that could match. I feel like this, and maybe the same green, like this shade. And I think you should put a tiny top underneath to make it look good. I think it's this one. This already looks really good. Let's see if we can layer some more items. So let's go see what we have. I think we should maybe layer some accessories. I personally don't adore every single accessories that there is. For example, here. Let's go here. And normally there's some accessories that give nature vibes. I like those. And we can layer, shade them to match them. A beigeish shade. The green. This green. Some more. And the last one. Why not some this? Okay. Now let's change the face. I think I have a nature face saved. Let me just quickly. Well, I have this one. It actually looks pretty good. Now let's see if we can edit a bit. I feel like there's better lips we can find. I like the new lips. What about this? We need a darker shade. I really like them. This is kind of good. Yeah, let's keep this. Let's go do some hair, guys. Okay, let's see what hair we have. I love absolutely all the new hairs. Let's see what we can. I haven't played a lot of DTI for a long time now, so yeah, it's been a long time. What about this top, this hair? It looks good, but I think we can find something better. Okay, guys, I found this hair. It looks really cute, and it's flowery. It's perfect. Now I want to see if we can toggle it back. Oh, half front. Oh, only flowers? No. What about small flowers? Okay, big flowers. What about only none? None looks better. Let's take this. Now let's go see in my codes if I have something that could work. Let's see, guys. I think we should do like a Mother Nature, like Yas Queen. I love this top. I use it a lot for my layering hacks. I don't really post them, but I use this top a lot. Okay, what about a pink? Also looks cute. this. Perfect. And maybe we should style the bottom. It looks really good. I just really like this one. I don't know why. I feel like this looks good. I'm not the best at layering. We could use this. Yeah, this is usable. We could work with this. Yes. Let's see. I love the Brad collection though. I don't know. Was there a code that we could use? No, I don't think so. Let's just do this part without. I don't buy a lot of cash thingies. I have the perfect shoes that are over there. I'll show you after, guys. Let's just see if we have in my coats stuff we need to layer. Wait, I actually love this top. Maybe you should make it like this. Perfect. I'm surprised this actually looks good. Oh, I thought it was gonna look really bad. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. I feel like it's giving queen. I love layering this skirt too. Guys, the thing with the layering is you have to never be scared of too much layering. There's no such thing as too much layering. Okay, I feel like this is giving yes. I feel like Mother Nature doesn't really have any shoes because she walks in the nature like let's just change the butterfly. It's very different. Okay, on finger, on head. Ooh, oh my god. Just on head. On eyebrow. On mouth. On head. No, this looks better. Let's just see if there's any patterns. Is this new? Oh, that's so cool. How did I not notice this? Oh, let's go for this vibe. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, I love this one. Slay. How did I not see it? Like, let's just make it. Let's change now the different materials. I really like glitter. I think we should go for a metallic vibe. I'm gonna try to make everything metallic. I think we directly make something. I need to change the. Oh, here it is. Okay. I think it doesn't look too bad, but since Mother Nature would not have any shoes, there's still some shoes that are giving nature vibes. These. We just have to style them properly. This and this. Oh, okay, this is giving good. Maybe add some wings, you know, to give a fairy vibe. Oh, yes. Slay. Really. Ooh, jellyfish skirt. Perfect. I love these. This butterfly top. It's really cute. Oh, you can't see it. No, I didn't see anything change. Let's go see a non-VIP if they have other stuff. Okay, let's go see, guys. I think we should layer some accessories from here too. So, I was looking for a necklace, but there's already one built in. Be this. One of my favorite accessories. Okay, this is getting good. Let's just put big earrings, even if you might not see them. Okay, we are nailing this, guys, I think. I'm not sure. Oh wait, I know the perfect. Absolutely perfect. It's over here normally. This. Oh no, I need an initial 20. I just kind of spent all of my Robux. Ugh. Let's just remove something that's unuseful. I absolutely love jellyfish script, so I'm not gonna remove that. I'm not sure. Okay, let's just try just with this. I feel like it's giving too killer. You know? You know what I mean, guys? I think this is cute though. Yeah, let's take this. It's giving I'ma kill you vibe. Okay, let's go see and save this outfit, and let's walk down the runway. Wait, no, I really want these. I need to remove some accessories, just some that are unuseful. I feel like these on my head, they're unnecessary. They're filling up my head too much. Oh, it's giving emptier. Oh my god, I didn't realize it would be so perfect. Perfect. These. What color should the spikes be? I think they should be like this shade. Just make them white. I think we nailed it. Okay, let's walk down the runway. Spring. I think spring could look good. Confirm. Hey, let's walk down the runway, guys. What happened? Oh no, it lagged. Oh no. Let me pause this, guys. I'll re-video when it's alive. Well, the runway isn't working, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed.